If you want to start using Trainual, you should click on the link in the description to create an account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a training on Trainual. So Trainual is a powerful tool for creating and organizing training content for your team. Even if I can't access all the features visually, I'll guide you step by step so you can confidently set up your training. So first, make sure you are on the trainual.com and then log into your account using your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up for a plan first. So once logged in, navigate to the subject tabs in the left hand menu and then click a create new subject. So in this case, we'll need to go to the content section because this is the version 2024 of Trainual. So on the upper right corner, you'll see there the create a subject button. Just simply click on that, and then now you'll need to input your subject name. It can be a customer service basics or sales training 101, it's up to you. And also under that, you'll see there the option for what kind of training is this. It could be company or policies or processes. So in this case, I'm going to choose the policies for the kind of training I want to. So once you're done naming your training subject, you'll be redirected to the training editor. So in this case, inside the subject, you can add a topic in here. You can edit or input or attach any file in here. So under each topic, you'll need to add steps. So for example, I'm going to add a proper attire or basic attire in here. So it's up to you. You can add a description in here. So once you're done, after building out your training, you'll need to assign it to the right people. It's up to you. Go to the assignment section and choose the specific users or team who need to complete the training. For example, you can assign it to your customer service basics or to your support team. Once you finish creating and assigning the content, you can also click the publish to make the training live, so your team members will now receive notification to start assigned training. And after that, you can also track your progress by going to the reports or dashboard tab to track who has completed their training and how well they're performing. You can also use this data to follow up with individuals who might need extra guidance. And that's it. You've successfully created a training module on Trainual. With this, you can streamline onboarding, upskill your team, and keep everyone on the same page. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.